That's funny. This mall is fancy. We bought their McDonald's to try. Time to try McDonald's McNuggets. No, it's soggy. If this healthy also. We are back at the West Lake and we're trying to see if we can catch the boat ride. There's no small boats anymore compared to when we were here yesterday. We're trying to see if we can catch the big boat ride. Look at that skylight shining down. That is the xiao. Look at smiley eyes. We are eating dinner at this place called Wai Po Jia, and I think it's a chain restaurant because my sister said there's multiple outlets. This is the first dish. Wow! It opens up into an iPad size. There's like this street full of mini stores next to Sihu. And the boats are still running. I'm not sure what kind of view you can see at night though. Yeah, it's like a sword like that. Wow! How? I'm finally back at the hotel. Tomorrow is our last day in Hangzhou, and on Thursday we have half a day in Hangzhou before we will take the train back to Shanghai and fly back to Singapore, and that means the end of the trip. So I wanted to do a little haul video of what I have bought so far. I bought this magnet. This magnet is so nice because it opens up. The magnet opens up into this beautiful view of Shanghai, and it's really cute. It's like a little fan and then you can close it. And it's pink. I bought this hairband that's on my head right now from Green Party. It's this cute little red hairband. And at Green Party I also bought this bunch of red scrunchies in similar print. And then I went to Miniso. I bought these false lashes, but it doesn't come with the tweezer. So I tried using my hands and it failed miserably. So I bought this keychain. It's a Maltese keychain, but it's in shengjianbao form. And Shanghai is known for their shengjianbao, so I'm really happy that I got this. It was the last two, so I bought both. One for me, one for my boyfriend. I went to W Management and I bought this top. A white singlet with lace. You can wear it alone with jeans or you can wear it as a layer. It's very soft. I really like it. I also bought this blue top from W Management. They have it in white and I wanted it in white, but they sold out in S size. And this blue was the last piece in S size, so I got it. I also bought this white and blue stripes ribbon top. And the final thing that I bought is this top from W Management as well. It's this long baby doll tiered kind of top, and then you can tie it at the back. Oh, there was one more thing that I bought from Brandy Melville. I forgot about this top, but I also went to Brandy Melville in Shanghai and I bought this red color top. And I really like the color, and it's in time for Christmas, Valentine's Day, Chinese New Year or anything. I think I'm going a little bit crazy on the red theme here. And of course, I bought myself my first Disney Mickey ears when I went to Disneyland. And it's so cute! Ta-da! So that's the end of my haul. I really enjoy this trip. It's a really good mixture of fun, delicious food, scenery, and shopping. What a fantastic family trip. Yay! Good morning! Today is our last full day in Hangzhou and we're on our way to Hefang Street. We're gonna get breakfast there and then walk the street. We have arrived at Hefang Street, or near Hefang Street. We're trying to find the breakfast place. Oh, here! Yoku Doujiang. We have reached the Hefang Street. Gonna shop around here and see what's there. Hefang Street is like the old street. So it kind of feel like I'm in the ancient drama and shopping around here. The buildings are all like the old kind of structure. See? Today's weather is cloudy. Hopefully no rain. Look at this. 我在杭州等你. Wanghong Faxia. What's this? Tanghulu. Wait, they have lace on it. Looks like lace, yeah. Wait, I want to buy this for the laws. Here is full of 旗袍店. The Starbucks is in this kind of building.
bamboo, 你跟大瓶跟 everyone 要是现买我。So bad big since yesterday.
Huh?
So bad big. This is the consequence when you are old. I think when you are
The chicken is fatty and good. The service here is quite good because we said that the noodles were cooked not so well and like very starchy. They refunded us the noodles. We are on our way to this place called xiao and then from there we will go to see this famous bridge and maybe go to wulin Yeshi. But from the lunch place, all the way to xiao is a 30 minutes drive. It seems like in Hangzhou everything is very separated. I think Hangzhou is super big and everything is like not concentrated in one area. So you have to take a car and the minimum drive is like 15 minutes. So we're in the TT now. Oh my god, the ride was so long. My mom is in the bakery. We bought this pandan rice bread. Let's see whether it's yummy. Very chewy, but the pandan smell not strong. We're going to find coffee in this small alley.
加坡你们是过来旅游吗？
对，
趁我们国内国庆节之前来。
We entered this book cafe, and the owner just told us this real life story of this Hangzhou famous cafe here that's facing the West Lake, and it's based on a real story. So the female, it's opened by a couple. The owner, she had cancer, so her dream was to open a book cafe. So her husband opened it for her, but ended up the husband also had cancer and he left first. So she said she continued managing this book cafe. That's why it's 我在最美的地方等你。
这里的外景，然后
This was a nice alley that we walked in because the cafe owner was so friendly and he shared with us many stories. So it was a nice sit down and nice encounter moment.
冰淇淋
Oh my god, soya sauce 冰淇淋哎！Oh dear, the canal is here. The canal. Yun. This street is filled with cafes, so there's a lot of places where you can get coffee, ice cream and cafe food. It's a really nice, quaint town, like a quiet street. We just took a TT to Hangzhou Zhongxing because there's this famous dessert store inside called Sugar Rush, so we decided to come here and walk around the mall. The shopping malls here are huge, man. So big. This mall is fancy. The toilet, every sink comes with a Dyson dryer. And the toilet smells nice. Like the mall smells nice, kind of like Paragon. So that's how you know the mall is fancy. And there's so many brands here that I haven't heard before. I think it's all their local brands. They have Koi over here. Apparently they have like a few branches of Koi in Hangzhou. But we're heading to the dessert place now. It's called Sugar Rush. Over here. This is the menu. Whoa. Guys, we wanted to cut hair at this place that my sister found called Newest Trend, and it's at Yingkai Baihuo. So we walked all the way from Hangzhou Zhongxing to Yingkai Baihuo, and we went to Tower C, B1, which is where Baidu Maps say is, and we couldn't find it at all. Then we went Tower B, Tower A, then we went back to Tower C, we kept going around, and everyone said that there's no such store. Then we asked the local to help us call, and no one picked up. So we just went around in circles. Now we are finally giving up on the hair salon and we're walking back to Hangzhou Zhongxing. So you can adjust music.
哎，孤独的 music 来的啊！哎，哇，宝宝的新的。你的屁股也可以吹 aircon 的。
Nice this one 呢？
Yeah. Singapore don't have this car.
没问题。现在就开启周杰伦的音乐之旅啦！
谢谢王力吧，今天有什么呗？宝宝凳是吧？啊，光叶树 is very nice 哎。哦，对了，哦，这个很好穿的衣服啊。
wulin 夜市. They sell clothes also. Food. Longjing ice cream. They sell all sorts of things here, this night market. Mini stores and everything. They even sell phone cases, iPhone cables, kids' toys. They even have manicure services here. I think the one we just walked is Longyou. This is the wulin 夜市. Or maybe they are all wulin 夜市. It tastes like tutukui, the texture. No, this is black sesame, and then we also have the dosha flavor. Not bad. Red bean mochi. My first time seeing beer flavored chips. My sister and I just went to Family Mart and we found this shanghai-hangzhou. It's the last 2 packets and we bought it. And now we're being greedy pigs. It's already 10:30 but we're coming KFC because it's our final night in Hangzhou and we want to try KFC. So we're going in.
Oh my god, look at the menu.
Oh my god! The menu is... The KFC here has chuan chuan. So many variety. The size is pathetic eh. Finger size eh. Finger size. Overall review of the KFC chicken is that the taste itself, like the marination, is quite nice. It's like a bit spicy, a bit peppery, but the batter itself is dry. So the chicken is quite dry, so I wouldn't say that it's a must try, you know. I mean, no, I heard KFC in China is really good, but this is just okay lah. Maybe 6 out of 10. But it's $3 plus Sing for the 3 pieces of wings and Pepsi. Let me show you guys my haul for the day. I bought this at wulin 夜市 for my boyfriend's family. It's a 平安喜乐 light. Comes with a charger, like a cable, and this 平安喜乐. Then when you press it at the back, you can turn on the light. So it's very nice, and you can charge it because it has a USB-C cable. I bought the little chips hair clips, and they are about 20 cents SGD each. This HANGZHOU hair clip that I clipped on immediately for the day, and this 恭喜发财 which I was planning to clip during Chinese New Year. And lastly, this wiggle earrings. So cute, right? That's the end of my haul. Good morning! It is my final day in Hangzhou, and we're heading back, taking the train back to Shanghai and then taking the flight back to Singapore, which means this is the end of our trip. But I really miss these carefree days, non-working days. And this is my view from my bed. You can see the mountains in the backdrop. It's really nice.
Attention please. Singapore Airlines Flight SQ8